Welcome to Travel About, everybody. I'm Scott. Leslie's wandering around over there, and we have just entered Summerlin, or right past Summerlin, and we are here today at the Red Rock Canyon. We're here to do the loop and walk some nature trails, so what you're seeing in the background, we're going to go get up close and personal with these red rocks. You guys ready? Leslie's ready. She's taking selfies. We've just entered the scenic loop of Red Rock Canyon. Well guys, I'm sitting on a bench here at the visitor center area at this first trail, and I'm just wondering if the view could ever get any better than this. So we got a guy scaling a rock right there. The guy's on his cell phone up there. You can hear him. That's new. Maybe he just needed a better signal, so he climbed the rock to get it. What do you think? we're still out here on this trail. This is some very soft gravel. It looks like they've just laid it down. It is slippery. It is rocky out here. Be aware. The trail is rough. It's rocky. It is not the worst trail we've ever been on. Hit the subscribe button. Hit that bell for notifications. Go back and check some of our previous videos. You'll see some fantastic trails and some really tough ones. And I'm sure we've got many more to come in our journey here. Alright guys, we have found Petroglyph Wall, at least the trailhead. I don't really know if there's a petroglyph there or not, but we're gonna go see what the heck this is. And let me show you what's happening here. Well, we just got a confirmation that there are some petroglyphs out here somewhere. And we're taking this very rocky, narrow trail, windy I should add, windy trail. And, but when you stop and look up, you get to see this. So, the problem is you can't look up very much or you'll be on your face. I think we've run out of signs. Hold on, there's something over here. We are sign hunting, guys. We're sign hunting. Aha. Let's go this way. There are climbers scaling the rock wall over here. I'll show you that when we get a little closer down the valley. And people who think this means something have stacked little rocks up everywhere you look. Crazy people. Alrighty, I see another little arrow. We are going to get right up on top of this rock, I think. But we're not going to climb it. And there are people climbing it. That's a little crazy for me. Come on, Leslie. If he can do it with 1 foot, we can do it.
Well, at least give me a half out of that. 1.5.
A half a foot. Yeah. 1.5.
Yeah.
Hey guys, these are not petroglyphs, but this is from probably millions of years of water running down the side of the mountain. It's formed these black lines, I'm guessing. That's pretty cool. And we're going to continue Let's see what we can see. Wow, I didn't know we were going to get this close. I'm 50 feet from that mountain right there. Well, look at that. A cactus. If you've checked out our previous videos, you know we just left Arizona, and cactus are pretty much like weeds there. They are literally everywhere. And so I'm very surprised I have seen very little cactus here in Nevada. Okay, so there are petroglyphs. Well, there they are. Holy cow. Right there, guys. I'm going to hold this camera really still for you, and I'll be zooming this in for you. This is as close as they'll let me be. But there they are. And I'm going to read the sign real quick for you. Okay, yeah, there's a close-up of what we just saw. And I'm just trying to get a date. Anybody see a date? Just says thousands of years. It's not really putting a date on it. But pecked images were made with a hammerstone of harder rock. And they basically carved them into the rock. Oh, too bad they don't have a date on this, but a couple thousand years. It's a little far off the beaten path for me. Let's stick to the path, if you can call it that. We just saw those petroglyphs. It's pretty cool. Those are the first and only petroglyphs I have ever seen. There weren't very many there, but it was there. If you take a second and just stop and think about 2,000 or 3,000 years ago, somebody using a rock harder than that mountain, carving those into the side of that mountain. And I'm sure it meant something very important to them. Maybe it was just a graffiti. Maybe it says, hey, Joe was here. I don't know. We'll never know that. But that'd be funny if that's what it said. 2,000-year-old graffiti. And we're over taking pictures of it. Anyway, guys, we're still here in Red Rock Canyon. Not too far from Las Vegas. We're closer to Summerlin, Nevada, actually. Yeah, it's pretty interesting out here. I think we're off the trail again, as usual. I don't know. We're never really on the trail. We're just wandering aimlessly. Oh yeah, I see a green thing there. I think I'm not sure we're exactly on it, but we're heading the right direction. Come on up here next to me. Get into view. That's good. Just keep walking. That's good. We can make a thumbnail out of that. Guys, we've gone back to this super soft gravel again. It makes it it's actually a pretty easy walk, except every time you step we're sinking down, and I'm not sure if you've ever experienced that before, but every time you sink down it makes it just a little harder to move forward. I'm sure there's a very good reason for what they're doing here. I'm going to show you this rock. It's a good example of this red rock stuff. So there's a boulder here in front of me, and it's got some nice streaks of the red. It's probably like iron or iron oxide or something. That's a guess. If you know what it is, put it in the comments. I'm going to Google it too, because now I'm curious. It's a decent sized boulder there. And it is directly in the path. Yeah, there's some other pieces with look at the spirals on this one, yeah. That's just natural from the wind and the rains. That whole rock is this big spiral. Awesome. I don't know what's behind us. Got a different kind of rock here in the trail.